Just reached my room in the Dalmahoy and oh my god. Okay.
The moment I stepped into the room, I was absolutely floored by the size of it. And the bathroom, I'm not exaggerating when I say that this is bigger than some rooms in my actual house. Okay, I'm not a golfer, but I couldn't help but love the views over the golf course. And I might not play golf, but it turns out they're great for people watching. Weirdly relaxing, isn't it? Just people watching. Later on, I took the chance to dress up a bit because it's always fun when you're away. And I enjoyed a couple of drinks and some chocolates in the room before heading down to the bar for some cocktails. The atmosphere was really warm and inviting, and it was such a good mix between locals and guests. You can really see how short I am here. Anyway, the cocktails were spot on, and then came dinner. There was so much to choose from on the menu, but I started off with some Cullen skink, followed by some steak and chips, and I really messed up on the aesthetic filming here. This was my attempt at pouring a garlic butter. And for dessert, I went for rice pudding, which feels so nostalgic and comforting. I slept so well after all that food, and the next morning we had the most incredible light pouring through the windows. I had to drag myself out of bed to go check out the country club, but I'm so glad that I did. Honestly, the whole experience felt like such a treat.